All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. So you guys know my style. I'm about showing you guys a perfect way to milk every trading system, every financial market that you can think of, every as far as you are trading and you are using technical analysis to trade. You need to know a bit of, in fact, you need to know about price action. I understand very well that a lot of persons depend on indicators for trading, which is okay, but if you want to make money in the long run, guys, you need to have a fair idea of price action. Is very important. It's very important. All right, you can see, guys, we are on a trade currently. We are selling step index. Myself and my team, we entered right here. I missed my my targeted entry was supposed to be around this level, but I missed it, and then we took this trade around here and we are in massive profit right now. All right, I'm still expecting this. Of course, I told my people that price will range around this level for a while before it continues to rally down. Yeah, if you check my previous video, you'll notice that I also made some statements concerning this particular market. Right, we bought on the previous video. We were buying step index. We took it from here, we took it from this level all the way up to this level, and now we are selling. Right, I mentioned it on the same video that we are going to be selling after we've bought to this level, and it's playing out, guys. This is what price action does for you. Right, price action allows you to understand the movement of the market direction. You don't struggle to see the direction of the market if you understand price action very well. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys a bit of it, and I'll be showing you a top secret how we milk this, how we do it. Now, guys, this system has a certain pattern that it works. I always say this, guys, and if you have been trading over time, if you are a trader if you are a seasoned trader, yeah, if you have been in the system for a long time, right, you agree with me that these patterns always happen, always reoccur, right? Always reoccur. Okay, so if you're a trader, you must have been exposed to certain price movements on certain assets that reoccur, right? This is what price action is about. Price action is about using past price movement to analyze the future, right? So yeah, I'm going to show you guys on this video a simple trick that works for me over time. It works for me over time. It works for me over time. It works for me over time, right? It works for me over time. And whatever is happening here is none of my business right now, because I'm still, of course, I've secured some positions, though. You don't have to lose your guard as far as you're trading. It's probability at the end of the day. It might happen, it might not happen, but if you know your onions, guys, you always win 90% of the time. In fact, 95%, 99% of the time you win, right? Okay, so you can see we are trading step index. You can see clearly, right? You can see that my people are winning. This is a trade we took this morning. You can see we're making money already. We are taking a lot of profit already. All right, so now, what is this simple hack that I want to talk about? We are getting there, right? You are getting there. But before you get to the point where you want to take a trade, you need to know some certain things, right, that you want to be doing, you want to look out for on the market before you finally decide, yo, it is time to execute, right? There are certain things you want to see on the market first before you decide to execute. So what are these things? All right, so before you execute, there are certain stuffs you want to look out for, right? There are what you want to see on the market, certain patterns you want to see. Now you know the market has the market has three directions. It moves in an upward trend, a downward trend, and a sideways trend, right? So we have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the range markets, the sideways markets. Okay, so you want to take advantage of either the uptrend or the downtrend. You don't want to be trading the sideways market right now. Okay, on this technique that I want to show you, you don't want to be trading the sideways market. You want to take advantage of the upward trend or the downward trend. Okay, so it's very important to go to the higher time frame to analyze, to analyze the market. It's very important to analyze the market on higher time frame, like the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame. You get, if you're a day trader, you should stick to those. Okay, I'm having hiccups right now. I don't know. I should sip some water. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so on this market, what I want to show you is right here on this screen, on the 15 minutes time frame, right here on this screen, right here on this 15 minutes time frame. But first, let's go to the 4 hours time frame to see the direction of the market. Okay, now you can agree with me that the market is pushing upwards. Even when it's ranging, it's still trying to break out to go upwards. It's trying to find its way to the top. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, we have that. Okay, so what you want to first of all do is know the market direction on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, the weekly time frame. Possibly know the market direction on the higher time frame, and also observe the candlesticks. Look out for more bullish candlesticks. Look out for more bullish candlesticks. It's very important. It's very important. Now, this strategy is applicable to any financial market. Trust me, any financial market, be it whatever asset you are trading on. Excuse me, please pardon my hiccups. Whatever market you are trading on, be it bull and crash, be it step index, as you can see here, be it currencies, be it stock, be it crypto, whatever it is, this works. Okay, this works. So now you know the market direction is to the upside, and we all know that we want to be buying if the market is pushing to the upside. Okay, we all know that buyers have more stronger force, so you don't want to be trading against every other person in the market, right? You know, you want to join the majority. You want to join the people that are buying when everybody's buying, right? Now let me explain something. When the market is pushing to the upside, that is to say that every profitable trader at that point, they are buying. Everybody is looking to buy. You don't want to be selling when the market is buying. No, you don't want to do that. Okay, so if you see the market in a downtrend, you see strong bearish movements on the higher time frame, you don't want to be alone. All right, you want to join the trend. You want to be trading the trend. You want to follow the trend. You want to be doing what every other person is doing, so that you can also make profit while they are making profit. Okay, because if you are buying when everybody is selling, you are losing. If you are selling when everybody is buying, you are also losing, right? So you want to always follow the trend. That's why most of your teachers, your coaches, your tutors, your mentors will be telling you always follow the trend, always buy in an uptrend and sell in a downtrend. Okay, so that's the case here. So right on this technique here, we have seen that the market is pushing upwards on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, now you switch to the 15 minutes time frame. For example, you need to always come back to the lower time frame to execute. Okay, if you see the market in an uptrend, the next thing you want to do, of course, is to find your key support level. Now you want to be buying from support level. You don't want to be selling from support level. You want to be selling at resistance level. You don't want to be buying at resistance level. But for you to buy, that means price has to be at your support. Okay, and of course, if you see an uptrend, that means price has to be at your support. Okay, but before you execute, so you have your support level. How do you even put up your support level? You want to, first of all, on the higher time frame, of course, you can see my horizontal lines. You can see the lines here. I have marked here. Now this is because of this retracement at this level. Wherever you see a strong reversal point on the higher time frame, that's where you should place your horizontal line, right? That place is not an exact point of reversal though. right? That place only shows you that around this region price might retrace, so price might reverse, okay. So you know that area and you watch out, you look out for the candlestick movements when price is at that area, okay. So now for this my strategy, right, this pattern that I want to show you, I want you to be able to find support and resistance first on a higher time frame, and also find support level on a lower time frame. So let's switch to a lower time frame. You can see on the 4 hours 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have series of touches on that line. On this line I place on the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. You can see we have price reversing on this level. If you have up to like 6 touches, you are good to go. You can see how many touches do we have here. Excuse me. On the same level, price is actually respecting that level right now, although I know it's going to still push below it. It's going to break it. All right, you can see we have how many touches on that level. You can see we can still, if you go on and on, you see more touches on that level. All right, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm doing this video in traffic. All right, my car is steaming. I just had to take advantage of the time right here to make this video so I can share this knowledge with you guys. Okay, you can see that we have several touches on the 1 hour time frame. Now this support that I realized on the 1 hour time frame is in between the resistance on the 4 hour time frame, right? See, we have resistance here that I pointed out on the 4 hours time frame. We also have here below the one on the 1 hour time frame. Excuse me, oh my god, this is serious. Okay, so this is my support here, and now on the 1 hour time frame I've been able to support another support at this level, right? Now after that is done, switch to 15 minutes time frame, for example, and what you'll be looking for at this point is to see a clear trend, whether it's moving upwards or downwards. You want to see a clear trend, like in the case here. Now I've seen a clear trend. I have even spotted it out. I've highlighted it with my trend line. You can see the trend line running here and here, right? Now on this strategy, this is it guys. Price came from my trend line on the upper side to this other side, and then you will just wait for, you want to buy. Remember, you are looking at it an uptrend on a higher time frame, so you want to buy. So price came all the way here to this level and then pushed back. When it pushes back up and touches the support level that you pointed out on the 1 hour time frame, the one in between the resistance and the support at the 4 hour time frame, allow it to break that time frame, that resistance level. Allow it to break that level. If it doesn't break it, then leave it, allow the market to go. But if it breaks that level and retest that level just as it happens here, let me take this out. If it breaks level just as it happens here and retests this level here, right, what do you want to do? You want to be looking for bullish candlesticks at this point. Now if you're a total novice, you don't know anything about candlestick patterns, you don't know anything about engulfing candle, pin bar, all of those names, you are not to worry at all. You don't have any reason to worry. Now what you need to do is just wait for price to break and retest that horizontal line you placed on your support level that you realized on your 1 hour time frame. Okay, it could be support, it could be resistance, depending on where the market is at the moment. So whenever it breaks and comes back to that level, that makes it support, and then you look for bullish candlesticks just like we saw here. If you see my previous video, we took a trade here. We bought at this level. This was the strategy that we used. It has worked for me over time. We bought at this level and we took profit around this level, right? So price came back to hit this level after it broke the resistance here. It turned it to support and then printed two strong bullish candlesticks with rejections from the downside, right? That is enough reason for you to take your trade. Check other time frames, of course. Check higher time frame. Check to see that each of the time frames, most of the time frames, have closed with bullish candlesticks. Then if this happens on a 15 minutes time frame, take your trade comfortably, conveniently, confidently, and watch you move. Now your SL could be around this structure that's formed here, right? If you check my previous video, you will see that this happened. This played out exactly how I am explaining right now. It played out exactly very well, and we made profit. And I even mentioned in the video that price will come to this other side, and when it's coming back down, we are going to be selling again. That's what we are doing right now. We are selling again, and we are making profit again, right? We are making profit again. So guys, make sure you understand this. Of course, ask questions where you have to. Hit me up. I will drop in my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. I'll also drop our free Telegram link. You can join us, guys. It's very very free to join us there. This is our VIP group. You can see we are on maximum profit. You can see I always tell my guys what to do, and they are good, guys. All right, so hit me up, text me on WhatsApp. My link will be on the description of this video. Please, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Subscribe. It motivates me to do more. It makes me see that people are actually taking advantage of the knowledge I'm sharing. And my goal is to build lives, help people become financially free. And if you subscribe, it proves to me that I am getting there. All right, so just keep subscribing, keep dropping good reviews for people who have been using my strategies that work for them. Keep dropping good reviews and keep doing your thing. My students are hitting me up. Please, I need to attend to them. So I'll end this video here. Of course, monitor my trade and also see how I can bring up new stuff for you guys. Take care of yourself, guys. Peace. This is a month of love. Show love to your friends by sharing this, making sure that they see it and they also take advantage of it, guys. Take care.